Welcome back to Natalia's classroom. Seen that how easy it is to use Pandas package to read data from our CSV file and store it in a data frame. So I will continue from here and I will show you that how we can access the data values from the data frame. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for pandas and Python tutorials. And I hope you are learning with me. If you have any questions and if you have any queries or suggestions, or you want to see some particular code or some particular Python package, please write down in the comments. And so let's move on. And we are going to learn that how we can access different cells and different values in our Python data frame. So we'll use the same very popular subscript notation that we use with our arrays and tables everywhere. So these subscripts are going to be used again to access data values in Panda. Let me comment it. And the second thing that we will see how to use advanced access methods lock and iloc. So iloc and iloc are two methods to access data values from the pandas data frame. So let's start writing the code. So first of all, let's see a simple way of accessing some data value from our pandas data structure. And I will write the name of the CSV bricks underscore CSV is the name of my pandas data frame that I created from the CSV file. And just by writing the subscript notation, I'm going to give the name of the column I want to see. So it is giving me in this manner the capitals of all the countries. But if I want to see it in a nice manner, I will rewrite the same command. I will rewrite the same command, but I will put one more square bracket outside, and you will see a nice look. So this is a better representation. So it's a simple trick that we can use. So let's assume if we want to see two columns, ID will come by default. So ID is because ID is the index, so it will come along with all the columns. So if I want to see the area as well, so now it is showing me the area and capital. So it is very easy. Just the name of your data frame, pandas data frame, and the name of the column or columns that you want to see. So this is one way of accessing data from pandas. The other way is giving some specific row number. Accessing specific rows. So for this, we are going to write the name of our pandas data frame, and then we are going to write the rows we want to see. Let's suppose I want to get the rows from index 1 till index 3. So two rows will be fetched. So these two rows are fetched, index 1 and index 2. 0 is omitted because I didn't ask for 0. If I put 0 here, it will give me 3 rows. So this is how we can access. And let's see another way of accessing the value. And these are more powerful access methods. data frame using loc method. And what is loc? Loc, it is actually means label based. So I'm going to write bricks underscore CSV and dot loc. It's a property, it's a method, and here I am going to write the name or the index number of the index ID of the row I want to see. So it is giving me the complete data about the location, about the label RU. RU stands for Russia. So if I write India, it will give me for India. And if I write more than one, it will give me more than one rows for all corresponding labels. Let's write it again with some more labels. With Russia, I want to see South Africa and India as well. So I'm just giving the labels of the rows and it is showing me the output. What happened? Sorry, India is IN. So see, it is giving me the data from RU label, SA label, and IN label. Let's quickly see one more way to check it out. If I want to see some specific columns, not all the columns, like it is showing me country, capital, area, population, all. But what if I want to see only the country column or only the capital column along for the labels I have mentioned? So let me comment it accessing specific columns. And for this, we will write the values, sorry, we will write the labels and then we will put a comma and write the name of the columns you want to see. Let's suppose I want to see the capital and I want to see the population. So see how it is easy, how easy it is to just filter the data. And now it is just showing me capital and population and for the labels RU and SA. So the first argument was my labels and after the comma I gave the filter for the columns and it has shown me like this. So what if I write it like this, bricks underscore CSV dot log and I put colon. Colon means all the rows and then I give mention the area. I will mention the column name that I want to see like area. So it is showing me area for all the countries. So this is how we can manipulate it easily. And this is the lock method. And using the lock method, we will give the labels and the data will be filtered according to the labels. Now let's see the iloc method. Accessing data frame using iloc, and iloc means integer based label, integer based position. So how we will write bricks underscore CSV dot iloc and 2 comma 4. What is the output? So the row number 2 and row number 3, the last row, and are shown in the output. And what if we write it like this: bricks underscore CSV dot iloc and 2 comma 3 and then a comma and 1 comma 2. So it is what it has done. It has shown me column 1 and column 2, at column at index 1 and column at index 2, and row 2 at index and row 3 at index 3. So this is how we can filter rows and columns using the integer based position. Bricks underscore CSV dot iloc, and then I'm going to put the column for all the rows and 1 comma 2. So it is showing me capital and area column at index 1 and column at index 2 for all the rows. So this is, you can see that how easy it is to access the data frame values and the pandas data frame values with the help of this location label based method lock and iloc method, and with the simple array subscript notation. So I hope you have understood today's lesson as well. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel, and do let me know if you have any problems.